Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Vampire Rina and Bounty Hunter Chelsea, chapter 40. So here it is. Let's read the story. Since Chelsea and Campbell are being together, and now their feelings are getting emotional. Right now, Campbell showing her true feelings to her. She kissed gently Chelsea, said to her, "Sister, you're so enthusiastic." Well, this is great. Since Campbell, she was really into Chelsea. Does my sister like me? And you like it too? Ha, of course, Chelsea said to Campbell. Sister is so cute. Suddenly, looking at her, I'm really curious if the real Campbell see her fiancé facing a fake and she says she likes it. What kind of reaction will it be? Right now, Josiah, looking at her, she looks really engrossed in her feelings towards Campbell. Now she got pressed down. Although she got really pinned down, she's not restraining herself. She accepts everything from Campbell. Well, this is so strange. Right now, the real Campbell, the two of them. It's too much. The Sieber family is deceiving you, miss. I'm going to get them out and apologize to you. But looking at the real Campbell, is she going to cry? Or is she going to confront the two of them? The real Campbell said, "Hold on, Butler Mike." Oh, it seems that real Campbell is really calm and she's facing the problem, including like this. I want to hear Chelsea's explanation. Then I will make a decision. Oh, it was really a good choice. A really well-behaved royals. And so on. The solution. Well, Irina, right now, she was still pressing towards Chelsea. Well, it was really curious if she really knows that the real Campbell was there. Campbell, that's enough. No need to continue. I'm a little tired today. Come here first. Now, Chelsea want to stop. Right now, Campbell. Well, I'll go to prepare dinner. Sister, you have a good rest and get well early. It just so happens that I have enough blood for today. That's why she was really energetic. Looking at this girl, Campbell, right now, she went out straight. She was really happy. She's going to prepare the dinner for the two of them, keeping Chelsea alone in the room. Looking at Chelsea, she left really speechless. But right now, how about her? She really still a human? Or she is transforming into vampire? Well, let's see then. On next day, it was Campbell said to her, "Sis, come back home soon." Josiah, she looked back at her. And now, I'm going to the Hunter Guild to take over the affairs of the president. There will be no danger. You can just wait at home for me to come back. Well, after talking, finally Chelsea will go out. Someone got interrupted her, said to her, "Sister Chelsea." Oh, it turns out it was a real Campbell right now. Looking at her, Campbell's feather Astor. Oh, this is bad. How can she handle this situation? The real Campbell was here. Also, Campbell in her house was Irina, the fake one. It is convenient to talk. Oh, it turns out the real Campbell was really calm person. Also, know how to face the problem like this. She is really calm and collected. Sister Chelsea already knew that she was pretending to be me. Oh, it turns out after a long talk, Chelsea knows everything about her. Oh, who is she gonna choose? Is she going to choose Irina or the real Campbell itself? Knowing Chelsea, of course, she might choose the real Campbell itself. But, of course, she will be sad because she really fall in love with fake Campbells and she's getting closer to her. But right now, the real Campbell, sorry for what? Of course, right now, she might be really missing the fake Campbell because the two of them have so many things they've been through the past months. Real Campbell said the marriage was not terminated. He came to fulfill the marriage contract. He found that someone was with you. On behalf of me, should I blame you or should I blame her? Oh, it turns out the real Campbell know how to manipulate people, especially during this case. Sorry, it's been too long. I couldn't confirm your identity at that time. Right now, Chelsea seems to be sad. Of course, there's a lot of things needs to consider. Especially, I Campbell has never been a stalker, and I haven't seen it for many years, and it's understandable that my sister fell in love with the others. Oh, right now, the real Campbell, so I hope you can tell me all the truth. Are you really in love with her? No, I don't in love with her, Hosea said to the real Campbell, but is she really? The first son I like should be my fiancé, Campbell, but right now, she seems to be sad. Remembering the things that happened to the two of them, it really make her sad. Probably she really fall in love with her. Right now she don't want to admit it. Not only she is not Campbell, she may be not even human. It was probably Campbell. Now that my sister knows the truth, she decide how to choose. Right now, the real Campbell seems that she's a little bit crying. Although right now, Hosea, she need to choose the two of them. She need to make a choice. Yes, you. The family has always valued love and righteousness and can afford it. Let it go if my sister still want to continue with her. Just clarify the things. Right now, Campbell, even though she looks really sad, she need to answer her and tell her about her true feelings. Right now, remembering the sweet days, two of them are still together. Of course, she has a promise. She made a pact with the family of the real Campbell. She cannot forget the oath that she takes that she's going to marry the real Campbell. Everything about the two of them clearly popping out on her head. Hosea right now, she already have made a decision on who is the girl she need to let go. The original Campbell or the fake Campbell itself. Right now, Hosea said to her, I will continue my engagement with Miss Campbell if you don't despise my current identity. Oh, I was right. She will choose the right one. But before fulfilling the marriage contract, I want to investigate clearly her true face and also I want to give you an explanation about everything happened. Campbell said, great, then I will wait for my sister to marry me. But right now, looking at Josea's eyes, seems to be lifeless, of course. She's been betrayed. Right now, she really can't figure out who is the person behind that mask. Also, can she really find out the fate Campbell is Irina itself? And is she going to be happy if she really let it go? Well, I guess it will be a troublesome. But right now, looking at Chelsea, she seems to be angry and said, who the hell is the liar who has deceived me for so long? Now, it really makes sense. She got really angry. Well, let's hope everything will be fine. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. If you want to support this channel, you can join by clicking the membership join button. Bye!